Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful tiled pattern which is titled as Tuscan tile, and it is worked with three colors. I have used my 3 Aran yarns and a 5 mm hook to work with. These are the 3 colors that I have used. Yellow. So it is the daffodil yellow in the center, and the second color is dark pink, and the third color is soft pink. Okay, so without much delay, let us go into the video and learn how to make this Tuscan tile square. Chain 6 and join with a slip stitch. Now in this ring we need to place 12 trebles and 12 chain 1 spaces. That is, if you want to begin with a treble and a chain space, chain 5 and begin. Otherwise, pull up the look to a height and insert, make the standing treble here. So 1. For double we pull the yarn through 2 again, but for this we need to pull through 1 and pull it behind, twist, and then insert and pull. So we've got a treble here. Chain 1 now, chain 1 treble, chain 1 treble 11 times more. Continue with the trebles. Chain 1 treble, so chain 1 treble, make 11 more times. I shall also make and get back. I have placed totally 12 trebles here. Now in the last treble, after that chain 1, slip stitch to the first treble here and fasten off. So I shall slip stitch and fasten off and get back to you. With right side facing, join color B, slip stitch and join color B to any treble in the circle. Now you can chain 3 or make a double, standing double here. And then chain 1, skip 1, place a double in the next treble. That is, skip the chain space, place a double in the next treble. Chain 1, skip the chain 1 space and place a double in the next treble. This is our first treble, so it is little tricky to put this. Yeah. Chain 1 in the next treble, place 2 doubles, chain 3 2 doubles. Chain 1, double in the next treble, chain 1, double in the next treble. So you're not working in chain 1 spaces. Again chain 1, 2 doubles, chain 3 2 doubles. Continue with this stitch pattern on the other sides also. I shall get back to you when I come to the very first stitch that I have placed. We have come to the end of the round here. See, in the beginning I did only one DC here, so I've chained one, placed two doubles, chain three and a double. Two doubles. To complete the corner I need to place two doubles, chain three and a double. Now slip stitch to the first DC and fasten off. So we end the color here. With right side facing, join the third color in one of the corners. I've not done it properly. Yeah. Place a half double crochet. I'm not completing the corner here. The first half double crochet done. Chain 3, two half double crochets in the same space in the corner. One half double crochet in the next DC, another half double crochet, one half double crochet in the next DC. Now we are going to work treble overlapping the chain space into the very first round here, that is 2 rounds below. Having worked the treble, place one single in the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, and again a treble in the chain space overlapping that is encompassing the chain space of the previous round. You're working 2 rows below, then one half double in the next, one half double in the next. This is how the stitches appear on the sides here, and in the corner 2 half doubles, chain 3, 2 half doubles. So HDC, we have a treble working over the chain space of the previous round into the chain space of the first round, and then single crochet in next 2 stitches each, and again HDC in each of the next 2, then come to the corner and work 2 HDCs, chain 3 to 2 HDCs. This is the stitch repeat for all the rounds. Complete the rounds. I shall meet you where I began here. We come to the end of the round here. Now place the first HDC to complete the round, and then what you do is slip stitch to this and do not fasten off because we need the same color in the next round. So let us carry it above. And then you can instead, yes, anyway we have to add the new color here, so let this be here. You can carry it above. Next round it's going to be a single crochet round, so take the color B, slip stitch and join to any of the stitches here. So let me join here or somewhere here, because you're going to place one single crochet on each of the stitches, and in the corner it's going to be a little different. Place a single crochet in the very first stitch, place one single crochet each on each of the stitches till the corner. I shall also place the single crochets and get back. So I've come to the corner here. Now I have 10 here, so every side will have 12 single crochets. When I end the round, I shall place 2 more and complete the round here. In the chain space, place one single, 2 chains and a single. and place one single each on each of the next 12 stitches. So if we count here, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So complete the round in this manner, one single on each of them, in the corner single, chain 2, single. So I'll come to the end of this round here. I'm going to do my invisible join and fasten off. So cut the yarn, pull it out. Now we have first and second that we began with. In the second stitch underneath, you insert the hook and pull out this loop. And now this is the last stitch we did. So from the back, insert the hook into the back loop, pick up this yarn and pull through. So the invisible join is done. And now we can hide this yarn behind. Okay, so the next round we are going to work with this yarn. So we're going to, again it's going to be a single crochet round. So pick up the yarn from one of the stitches here, place a single crochet, and then in the corner we are going to place one single, two chains, one single. Then place one single on each of the singles. In the corner, single, one single, two chains, one single. Continue till the end of this round. We've come to the end of the round here. On each side we should have 16 singles. Okay, so ensure that. Now I'm going to slip stitch from behind and join. So in this very first single crochet, I'm going to make one double. Chain one, skip this corner single crochet in the chain space, that is corner space, make two doubles, chain two, two doubles. Chain one, skip this and place a double in the next, one more double in the next, chain one, skip one single, one double in each of the next two, chain one, skip the next single and one double in each of the next two singles, chain one, skip one, one double in each of the next two singles, chain one, skip one, one double in each of the next two singles. Now we have come to this corner here, so chain one and place two doubles, chain two, two doubles in the corner. So now repeat the instructions that we did from this particular stitch all around. When we come to this point, I shall tell you what to do. Come to the end of the round here. Now I have chained 1 2. Now place, skip one and place the last double crochet, because we started with a double crochet here in the very first stitch. Slip stitch, join and fasten off. Here it's okay. We need not do the, so this is the V we need to look for. So let me take a smaller hook. That's always wise to do. This, when we do the standing DC, the top V always hides. Yeah, pull this to a bigger, to a larger space, and then fasten off. Here we go. This pattern is titled Tuscan Tile. It is titled as Tuscan Tile. It looks like that. It's a beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern for any project of your liking, and especially for bags and totes. It will give a very beautiful and you can use this for cushion covers too. Several such squares made with in different colors and joined together. You can join as you go to. So if you know the technique, you can join the squares as you go. When you're doing the last round of the other square, you can join them here. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this pattern. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Of course, my request, please do subscribe to our Magic Needles channel if you are the first time viewer, and also click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every day. Please do like and share too if you really feel so. Bye friends, have a great day. I shall meet you in the next video.